sky.
Oh, hi kids, this is Grandpa down in the pool having a good time on my boat. Very good. This is my boat. I'll show you Grandma's boat. Grandma's got a fancy boat. I've got to go and get it. Hang on. Now this is Grandma's boat. She's got a fancy boat. Got a big ball too, so we play around. How do you like Grandma's boat? Isn't that a beauty? Isn't that wonderful? But with mine, I could do lots of funny things. Where's the hat? Oh, my glasses are gone. Oh, there they are. I still can't find the damn things. Oh, here they are.